So, I did a thing. So I'm here at Buffalo Bayou Park out here in Houston, Texas, and I'm out here super early in the morning to catch the sunrise against beautiful cityscape. It's a little bit cloudy, but I think that adds a little bit of mystery to the scene. So what am I actually doing here in Houston, Texas? Well, I actually did a thing. I moved here. Yeah, so I got a new job, and a few days ago I packed all my things, which admittedly isn't a whole lot, and I made my way down here. It still seems kind of surreal, almost, because I've talked about moving to the city so many times, and now it's finally happened. You know, here I am. That just kind of shows the power of manifestation. So, I just moved into this apartment, like I said, a few years ago, and I don't have much, like I said. I really only have a bedroom full of stuff, and if we walk through this little corridor, give you like a little mini house tour. Got all my little necessities right here. This little, whoops, this little closet thing, and of course, got my other necessities right here. And of course, you know, I got all the little colognes. This is the future living room. It is very, very empty right now, but I don't mind showing you because eventually I'm going to show you when it's fully furnished. And to have a little before and after scene would be pretty cool. So yeah, this is how it is right now. Stick around for when it's actually furnished. When it's all said and done and everything is fully, you know, come together nicely, I'm gonna give you a full apartment tour. So stick around for that video coming, I don't know, whenever in the future. If you're watching this, then you are very, very early to the show. I want to thank you for watching and subscribing and following me in this journey so far. My last video on Terralingua is fixing to be my most successful and my most popular video, and it's all because of you guys. So thank you for supporting and watching, showing love to that video. And it's kind of funny because it's a video about a city, or I guess a town, in the middle of nowhere, middle of a desert. So it's really cool. I put a lot of effort and time into that video, and to see it pop off the way it did. I know it's not a lot of views compared to the bigger channels, but for me, it's I don't know, it's really cool. So I really appreciate that. You guys make this whole thing worth it. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and keep up with this journey, because it's going to be a lot in the future. But let's talk about a new plan. So this new plan that I have is about a book that I got maybe like 2 weeks ago or something. It's a National Geographic book about the 225 destinations of a lifetime. Matter of fact, it's this book. This book has a bunch of places that are just so beautiful, so serene that I just want to check them out for myself. I want to bring these pages of this book to life in video format. And I also want to add in some that aren't in here that are kind of personal to me, that I want to go see myself that aren't in here. So it'll be a very great adventure if it goes off the way I'm thinking. And I'm also thinking about, well, not thinking about, I want to make a scrapbook to have not only a digital form for my memory, but a physical, actual memorabilia, so that when I have kids, I can show my kids, and when they have kids, I can show my grandkids, and you know, just to tell the visual story of me. Now, what I am thinking about is I'm not too sure about this yet, but I want to start a stream, because this is not only my journey, it's also everyone else's journey. It's y'all's journey too. You guys are on this ride with me. You guys are experiencing all this through my lens. So it's not just my journey, it's y'all's journey. So I want to do a stream and have the chat and the members pick out where to go each month or whatever the case may be. But have you guys have a say in this, because like I said, it's not just my journey, it's also y'all's journey. You guys are here with me, so I want to give you guys a say on what actually happens in this journey too. So that's in the works as well. This is actually a lot, and I mean, just saying it out loud is kind of scary, because like it opens the gate to failure, especially on the internet. You kind of put yourself in a vulnerable position, and you open the possibility to fail in front of all these people. But I mean, the way I think about it is, if your goals don't scare you, then are they really big enough? Like I said, if you're watching this by now, then you're super early to the journey. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe to keep up with the journey. Thank you for those that already have subscribed and liked my videos. I deeply appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't already, check out my last video about Terralingua. It's actually, I would say, my best work so far. I love that video. But yeah, more to come in the future. But until next time, peace.